Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. So in this video we will learn how to integrate ActiveCampaign and Google Sheet. So our use case is pretty simple. When a new subscriber is added in ActiveCampaign, it will automatically add a row in Google Sheet. Now ActiveCampaign is an email marketing tool and Google Sheet is your favorite spreadsheet program. So what we're going to do is, we are going to send the data from ActiveCampaign to Google Sheet. But there is one minor problem. There is no integration between ActiveCampaign and Google Sheet. So in cases like these, we need to bring a third app to properly connect them both. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate ActiveCampaign and Google Sheet. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is, there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen. Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser, pabbly.com. Press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here hover on products and at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect and then click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing, that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So you just have to clone the template of its workflow, which is available in the description box. Once you clone the template, you will get immediate access to this amazing workflow in your account. Okay, so scroll down and here at the bottom you will find connect. Here just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I am going to give it as ActiveCampaign to Google Sheets. ActiveCampaign to Google Sheets. Then click on create. Okay, so when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as ActiveCampaign? Because we want to send the data from ActiveCampaign, that is why. Now in the trigger event, how about we make it as contact added? Now contact added is basically a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new contact is added, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, there are more triggers like new deal task, new deal, etc. However, in case if you don't find the trigger of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to build. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new contact is added in ActiveCampaign. Okay, so just click on connect with ActiveCampaign. Okay, so in the new credentials, we have 2 blanks to fill, API key and the URL. So to get both of them, let's have a visit to our ActiveCampaign account. Okay, so this is my ActiveCampaign account. So first of all, let's have a visit to this part called as settings. At the left side, you will find settings. Click this. Okay, so in the settings, you will find the option called as developer. Click this. Okay, so basically this is your URL and this is your API access key. Copy this key and simply paste it here. Okay, so we have entered our API key. Similarly, we want to enter our URL. So to get the URL, just copy this up to here and paste it here. Okay, so we have entered the API key and also we have entered the URL. So just click on save. Okay, so when you click on save, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. For example, in the list it is showing it as master contact list. When we expand this, it will show also another list, that is the customers. So your obvious question is why it is like that. Since we have integrated ActiveCampaign and this Pabbly Connect, it is showing 2 lists. Okay, so now your obvious question is why it is showing these 2 lists, master contact list and the customer. This is because, let me show you my ActiveCampaign and let me go to this part called as list. Okay, so these are the 2 lists I have. Okay, so let it load. So these are the 2 lists, the customer and the master contact list. So basically all the list that is present here is being reflected here. For instance, let's say I want to create a contact in this particular list, master contact list. So basically the idea is that we are going to get the data from this particular list. So first of all, we have to assign a name to this webhook. So I'm going to give the name as Google Sheets. Google Sheets. Of course, you can give any name according to your discretion. If you are not, if you find Google Sheet a bit too fancy, how about we make the name as Rainbow? Okay. So my point is you can give any name according to your discretion. That's all. Okay, so we have entered the webhook name and this is the webhook URL. So basically the idea is that when a contact is made in this particular list, Pabbly Connect has to capture this data. So all I'm going to do is just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing that we have integrated Pabbly Connect to this particular list in ActiveCampaign. So this means whenever a new contact is made in this particular list, Pabbly Connect has to capture this data. So as to ensure that Pabbly Connect captures this data, scroll down and click on this button, Capture Webhook Response. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So how about we go to ActiveCampaign and make some contact. So imagine this. Okay, so I'm going to go to a form in ActiveCampaign. So this is my forms. Okay, now imagine this. Contact has came from this particular form. So this is the preview of this form, and the customer or the contact has filled in his detail. So the first name of the contact is Aaron, the last name is Manuel, and this is the email address aaronmanuel1991@gmail.com. So this is the contact's credentials. So the contact is just going to submit the form. Okay, so the contact has signed up. So in case of ActiveCampaign, it demands that there should be a confirmation from the contactee. For example, the ActiveCampaign will send an email to Aaron Manuel 1991 account so that he can confirm it. So as you can see, the person called as Aaron Manuel has to confirm his subscription so that he can become a contactee. So Aaron Manuel has confirmed the subscription. Okay, so it has been confirmed. So let's have a look in the contact whether we have a person called as Aaron Manuel. Okay, so there is a person called as Aaron Manuel. So Aaron Manuel has been established as a contact in ActiveCampaign. So let's see whether Pabbly Connect has captured this data or not, since Pabbly Connect is integrated with ActiveCampaign. That is why. Okay, so the API response is showing all the data. So basically these are the details. So the email is aaronmanuel1991@gmail.com. The first name is Aaron, the last name is Manuel. Excellent. So basically Pabbly Connect has captured the data. So now we have to sync all this detail to Google Sheet. So your obvious question is how I'm going to do that. It's actually pretty simple. Scroll down and click on this plus button. Okay, so when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. So in the Choose app. So now in the Choose app, how about we make it as Google Sheets? Google Sheets, this one. Okay. So we have selected the Choose app as Google Sheet. Now in the action event, how about we make it as add new row? So your obvious question is why are we going to make the action event as add new row? Okay, so to explain you that, let me show you my Google Sheet. So this is the Google Sheet. I want to append all the data from ActiveCampaign, and it has been titled ActiveCampaign data. So these are the columns I have: the first name, the last name, and the email. So basically the idea is that all the data will be inserted into the adjacent rows one by one. So that is why we have kept the action event as add new row. Okay, so just click on connect with Google Sheets. Now in the new credentials, just again click on connect with Google Sheets. Okay, so now we have to choose an account. Now this particular Google Sheet, okay, ActiveCampaign data is present in this particular Gmail account. So I'm selecting this. Okay, so now it is asking me to confirm my choice. So before you click on allow, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. Okay, so on the basis of that trust, just click on allow. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. Just click on OK. So it is showing the spreadsheet as ActiveCampaign data. So this is because there are actually many Google Sheets I have. These are all the Google Sheets I have, and it is being reflected in the expanded box. But I want to sync all this data in this particular Google Sheet, so I am selecting this. Now in the sheet, it is showing it as sheet 1. So as you may know this, there is only one sheet I have in this particular spreadsheet. Okay, so there is only one sheet, that is sheet 1. So that is why it is only showing it as sheet 1. Now we have to start mapping in the details. For example, in the first name. So let me introduce you to this button. This is called as the mapping button. Click this and just type first name and you will fetch the data, that is Aaron. Now in the last name, similar, all you have to do is just type in the last. Okay, and we have mapped the data. Similarly, we will just type email and we will get the email. Okay, so we have entered the first name, the last name, and the email. Just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing the data has been given to Google Sheets. So let's have a look. Okay, so as you can see, this is the data we have. The first name is Aaron, the last name is Manuel, and this is the email, aaronmanuel1991@gmail.com. So the presence of this data here shows that we have successfully integrated Google Sheets and ActiveCampaign with help of Pabbly Connect. How about we double check if integration is working fine or not? But before we do that, let me show you the whole gist of the process. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to minimize my action window and I'm going to minimize my trigger window. Okay, so basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First, you integrated ActiveCampaign to Pabbly Connect, and then you integrated Pabbly Connect to Google Sheets. So now there is a perfect flow of data between ActiveCampaign and Google Sheets. Excellent. So how about we go to ActiveCampaign once more and make some entry. So I'm going back to the forms. Okay, imagine this. Another person is going to be subscribed as a contactee. So this time the guy's name is Lucent. The last name is William, and the email is this one. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, so this is the email, this is the last name, this is the first name. So let me click on submit. Okay, so a person called as Lucent William has opted to sign up. Now ActiveCampaign will send an email for confirmation. So imagine this, Lucent William is confirming. So this is the email of Lucent William. He's just going to confirm it. So there must be a confirming mail, and Lucent William has confirmed the subscription. So let's have a look in the contactee whether we have a guy called as Lucent William. So let's have a look. Yes, we have a guy as a contact, Lucent William, and this is the email address. Excellent. So let's see in Google Sheet whether we have a fetch this data or not. Yes, as you can see, this is the first name, Lucent, this is the last name, William, and this is the email, lazymanuel27@gmail.com. Excellent. So this means our integration is working absolutely fine. This means anytime a new contact is added in ActiveCampaign, it will be reflected as a data or as a row in Google Sheets.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.